When you see leather seats this filthy, you know cleaning them can take forever. So in this video, I'll show you how to clean leather car seats twice as fast, safely, using a drill brush. Blow out crumbs with an air compressor or just vacuum carefully to avoid scratching the leather. Then choose a high quality leather cleaner of your choice. I'm using P&S Xpress interior cleaner for these neglected seats. Normally, when you're doing interior detailing on a relatively clean car, you can use a soft leather brush or a Scrub Ninja pad like this and clean the seats by hand. That's usually quick and easy. But in this car, these leather seats are really dirty, and I don't like wasting time. Most modern leather car seats have a strong coating, kind of like clear coat on car paint, so you're not scrubbing raw leather here. Amazon sells the soft white drill brush attachments made for gentle car cleaning on fabric seats and carpet and things like leather. I know it looks a little scary using a drill on leather, but it's really not a big deal if you're careful. Just remember, cleaning faster always has a little risk, and you can decide if it's worth it to you. If you're working on a brand new luxury car, skip it. But for an older, dirty car that's never had a deep interior cleaning, this drill brush method can clean your leather seats twice as fast and save you a lot of time for daily drivers. Before the cleaner starts to dry, wipe it up with a clean, high-quality microfiber towel. This pulls up all the dirt and grime we just loosened from the leather car seats. If you want to check out any of the detailing tools or products I'm using in this video, the links can be found in the description below. There might be a few spots on the leather seat you missed, so go ahead and touch those up as needed or simply do another complete pass until satisfied. A soft toothbrush works great for cleaning tight crevices and seams where dirt hides. The drill brush can't always reach those small areas, so a toothbrush really helps with those tough, hard to clean spots during your interior detailing. Now finish using compressed air to blow out the cracks and crevices and remaining moisture. And that's it. Your car interior looks brand new again, twice as fast. Hit like, subscribe, and check the next video to learn how to deep clean dirty cloth seats. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and thanks for watching.